Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will see about the concept of namespaces and object-oriented programming. These are two fundamental concepts in modern programming languages. Let's see what is a namespace. A namespace is a container that holds a collection of identifiers such as variable names, function names, and class names and provides a way to organize them. The namespace help prevent naming conflicts by allowing identifiers with the same name to coexist in different namespaces. Now we have some examples of a namespace. Let's consider a scenario where we have two modules, module A and module B. Each module contains a function named calculate. To differentiate between the two functions, we can place them in separate namespaces. Module A's calculate function, that is module underscore A dot calculate. Then module B's calculate function, module underscore B dot calculate. Next concept is object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming is a programming paradigm that revolves around the concept of objects, which are instances of classes. Classes are blueprints for creating objects and define their properties, that is attributes, and behaviors, that is methods. Now we have some key concepts in OOPS. Encapsulation. It is the bundling of data, that is attributes, and methods, that is behaviors, that operate on the data into a single unit called class. Next concept is inheritance. Inheritance allows a class to inherit properties and methods from another class, enabling code reuse and promoting a hierarchical structure. Next concept, polymorphism. Polymorphism allows objects of different classes to be treated as objects of a common superclass, enabling flexibility and extensibility in code. Now we have one example code in Python. This program defines a class person with two attributes, name and age, and a method grade that prints a grading message using these attributes. Class person, it defines the class name person. Next we have a constructor method of the class, that is def initialization. It initializes a new person object with a given name and age. Next we have self.name equal to name and self.age equal to age. These lines assign the name and age arguments to the name and age attributes of the person object respectively. Next we have a method called greet. This method of a person class takes self as the first parameter, which refers to the current person object. Next we have a print function. This line uses string formatting to print a greeting message that includes the name and age attributes of the person object. Next we have person1 equal to person function. This line creates an instance of the person class with the name Alice and age 30 and assigns it to the variable person1. Next line we have person1.greet function. This line calls the greet method of the person1 object, which prints the greeting message using name and age attributes of person1. When you run this program, it should output, hello, my name is Alice and I am 30 years old. Thank you.